That's fine. It's full of water.
Yeah, I see.
I'm gonna take one fan out and we're gonna stick that in there.
I just want to see if there's a drain.
Listen.
Yeah, no, I hear what you're saying.
If you lift it up, all the water is gonna flood to that drain and it's gonna pour out the floor.
Wait, what are you saying? Hold on. What? If I lift it up, where?
If you lift this up, all the water that's in here
Yeah.
contained is gonna spill out here and it's gonna run into that drain. It's gonna go down and spill everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
So we take the fan out
Oh,
and then
yeah,
we
just
suck
it
up
all
everything from here and then lift it up because
Okay.
this has this is supposed to have little gaps here,
Yeah.
but it's clogged.
Oh.
It's keeping the water inside.
Shit, like, gnarly, man.
Super fancy vacuum.
Yes, sir. Comes with all the components.
That thing gonna fit? Use the little thin one.
You could flare lit.
A lot of fucking water. Yeah, it's already full. Yeah.
That was fast.
I'm serious. Yeah, it's just.
Today and beyond, how much local influence does the president have over the